Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with valuable insights and advice on personal finance, wealth creation, and other financial tips. In today's video, we're going to talk about 10 personal finance books that can help you build wealth and achieve financial independence. If you're ready to take your financial knowledge to the next level, then you should definitely check out these 10 books. Before we move forward, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki is a must-read book for anyone interested in personal finance. The book provides readers with insights into Kiyosaki's own upbringing and how he learned about money from his two fathers, his biological father, the poor dad, and his best friend's father, the rich dad. Kiyosaki shares valuable advice on how to grow your money and build wealth, including the importance of owning assets instead of working for money. He also discusses topics such as investing in real estate and businesses, plus the difference between an asset and a liability. One of the key takeaways from this book is the importance of financial education. Kiyosaki emphasizes the need to understand how money works and to develop a financial mindset. He also stresses the importance of investing in assets that generate passive income. The book is packed with great advice on how to make money and manage your finances. It's a quick read that won't take more than a few hours to finish. Number 2. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey is a fantastic book for anyone looking to get their finances in order. The book provides readers with a step-by-step plan for getting out of debt, building an emergency fund, and investing for the future. One of the key takeaways from this book is the importance of living below your means. Ramsey emphasizes the need to create a budget and stick to it. He also stresses the importance of avoiding debt and paying off any existing debt as quickly as possible. The book is filled with personal stories from people who have successfully followed the plan laid out in The Total Money Makeover. This makes it easier for readers to relate to the advice being presented and make changes in their own lives. Number 3. Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez is a groundbreaking book that provides readers with a holistic approach to personal finance. The book emphasizes the importance of aligning your finances with your values and living a more fulfilling life. The book is an easy read, but it provides a lot of useful information about how to manage your money better. It also offers practical steps for improving your finances, such as creating a budget and using the envelope system for saving money. One of the key takeaways from this book is the importance of tracking your expenses. Robin and Dominguez provide readers with a step-by-step process for tracking their expenses and analyzing their spending habits. They also stress the importance of developing a strong sense of financial independence. Number 4. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko is a fascinating book that explores the habits and characteristics of millionaires in America. The book challenges many of the common stereotypes about millionaires and provides readers with insights into how they have accumulated their wealth. The book is also a great resource for anyone looking to get ahead financially. It offers readers advice on how they can emulate the habits and characteristics of millionaires, as well as practical tips that can help them save money and build wealth. One of the key takeaways from this book is the importance of frugality. Stanley and Danko emphasize the need to live below your means and to avoid unnecessary expenses. They also stress the importance of investing for the long term and avoiding speculative investments. Number 5. The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins is a fantastic book for anyone interested in investing. The book provides readers with a simple yet effective approach to building wealth through investing in low-cost index funds. The book is well organized and easy to understand. It's written in plain language, which makes it a great choice for beginners. The Simple Path to Wealth provides readers with a step-by-step approach that can easily be implemented by anyone who's interested in building wealth through investing. One of the key takeaways from this book is the importance of avoiding high fees and actively managed funds. Collins emphasizes the need to keep investing simple and to focus on low-cost index funds that track the broader market. He also stresses the importance of staying the course and avoiding market timing. Number 6. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel is a fascinating look at the role psychology plays in our financial decisions. Housel explores the biases and emotions that drive our financial behavior and provides insights into how we can make better financial decisions. The book is a quick read and offers lots of practical advice on how to make better financial decisions. Housel also provides an overview of behavioral economics, which is a fascinating topic that I'm sure you'll enjoy learning more about. One of the key takeaways from this book is the importance of focusing on the long term. Housel emphasizes the need to have a long-term perspective when it comes to investing and to avoid making short-term decisions based on emotions or news headlines. Number 7. The Bogleheads Guide to Investing by Taylor Larimore, Mel Lindauer, and Michael LeBoeuf. The Bogleheads Guide to Investing by Taylor Larimore, Mel Lindauer, and Michael LeBoeuf is a fantastic book for anyone interested in learning more about index fund investing. The book provides readers with a simple yet effective approach to building wealth through low-cost index funds. The book is written by 3 experts in the field of index fund investing, so you can be sure that they know what they're talking about. The Bogleheads Guide to Investing is a great resource for anyone who wants to learn more about how to invest and why index funds are such an important part of any portfolio. One of the key takeaways from this book is the importance of keeping investing simple. The authors stress the importance of avoiding complicated investment strategies and focusing on low-cost index funds that track the broader market. They also provide readers with insights into how to create a diversified portfolio. Number 8. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham is a classic book that provides readers with a timeless approach to investing. The book's main focus is on value investing, which is an investment strategy that aims to buy stocks at a discount and then hold them for a long time. Graham also provides readers with insights into how to protect their portfolios from market fluctuations by using hedging strategies. The book emphasizes the importance of value investing and provides readers with insights into how to analyze stocks and make informed investment decisions. One of the key takeaways from this book is the importance of doing your own research. Graham stresses the need to analyze stocks carefully and to avoid following the crowd. He also provides readers with insights into how to create a margin of safety in their investments. Number 9. The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason is a timeless classic that provides readers with insights into how to build wealth and achieve financial independence. The book is set in ancient Babylon and provides readers with parables that teach important financial lessons. The book is filled with stories that illustrate the importance of saving and investing, as well as how to avoid common financial mistakes. Clason also stresses the importance of starting early and accumulating a large sum over time. One of the key takeaways from this book is the importance of living below your means. Clason emphasizes the need to save at least 10% of your income and to avoid unnecessary expenses. He also stresses the importance of investing for the future. Finally, number 10. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill is a classic book that provides readers with insights into how to achieve success in all areas of their lives, including their finances. The book is based on interviews with successful people from a variety of industries and provides readers with a roadmap to success. It is a must-read for anyone who wants to improve their financial situation. This book has been around for decades and continues to be an inspiration for many people today. One of the key takeaways from this book is the importance of having a positive mindset. Hill emphasizes the need to believe in yourself and to visualize your success. He also stresses the importance of taking action and persisting in the face of obstacles. There you have it, 10 personal finance books that can help you build wealth and achieve financial independence. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or you're a seasoned investor, these books can provide you with valuable insights and advice. So, if you're ready to take your financial knowledge to the next level, I encourage you to pick up one or more of these books today. If you're looking for a place to start, I would definitely recommend reading The Millionaire Next Door. It's the personal finance classic that inspired much of what we talked about in this video. Please don't forget to leave your comments below and let us know which personal finance books you've read that have helped you in your financial journey. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos like this one. Please note that the mentioned books are ranked in order of importance and not necessarily in order of release date. Also, it's important to note that this list is based on our personal opinion and experience. Thanks again for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.